I'm going to give you these tips on how to make this linear perspective easy if you don't have paper or you don't have a ruler. You can just take regular paper. I'm going to fold this paper a couple times. You can use this as a straight edge. You can use anything as a straight edge. You don't necessarily need a ruler. And I've cut this piece of paper in half so that the blue lines are vertical. So you can use these as vertical lines. You're going to put a vanishing point here and a vanishing point here. You're going to think of this is Earth, this is sky, this is the horizon line. Just focus on one side at a time. So using your straight edge, draw your first line. You can think of this line as having points. So then you're just going to connect the dots. Now, because you don't have a T-square or 90-degree angle, you can use these blue lines to make your vertical lines. It might feel uncomfortable because you're not used to making them. Most students make diagonal lines. You want to make them vertical. There. Now all these lines have dots. You'll just connect the dots. Go to the corner. Let's go back the other way. Connect the dots. Now to do the bottom part, you're going to think of all of these as being dots. And again, you're going to connect the dots. Always make sure you're lining up with the corner. Students tend to do this and just draw it anywhere. Don't just draw it anywhere. There. Very simple. And then once you get through that, you could turn it around and do the other side. Now, one of the reasons you need to be able to make vertical lines is, let me put a horizon line here and make a fence, for example. I just shoot some lines off here. If you're making a fence and you're using diagonal lines, which is what you will do because you're not used to seeing 3D on a flat sheet of paper, your fence is going to be tipping over. Where once you learn to do vertical lines, then your fence will be standing up and the cows won't get out. You could have some shadows there. They would be horizontal. Easy? Very easy.